شوف دور 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 شايف غفلة 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 عنده خلاص والله وده ضروري رجل 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 ترى يا رجل حط الريفرس الريفرس رجعوا رجعوا ركضوا ركب لي على السيارة على السيارة
Asking you questions. If you've got any situation regarding this, feel free to call up, inshallah ta'ala. We've got our first caller, inshallah ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
You okay, sister?
What it is I'd like to ask Brother Abu Muhammad, you know when people go to see these beers, they jump in without doing Salatul Istikhara. I personally have had an experience where I've done Salatul Istikhara to go and see someone in India, and it came back unfavorable. I was told to open up the visa that was sent to me by him, and the tickets for the visa, everything was already prepared. But then when the visa were opened, we'd seen that in the Tariz there was like one man standing with the left hand forward, left foot forward, Allah's name on the left leg. Also, also when people
بسم الله بسم الله بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت الذي إذا شئت تجعل الحزن سهلا. اللهم سهل اللهم سهل. Oh Allah, give her the speech inshallah. Allahumma give her the power to continue her speech ya Allah. Carry on inshallah. Carry on inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Sorry about that. But a brother.
So do you mean a magician or somebody send this jinn to block you, to speak or to go to court?
Yes, we blocked.
You blocked her, ya Aduullah, huh? You enemy of Allah, you blocked her, huh? But inshallah, Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala block you in this dunya and the akhirah. Remember, ya ayyuhal jinn, remember inshallah that you are going to stand before Allah Yawm al-Qiyamah, and Allah going to ask you why you entered this body. What you are going to say to Allah Ta'ala Yawm al-Qiyamah?
Motorcycles. See? Don't move in there. No, there's a motorcycle. See?
I don't see nothing down there. Can't be the motorcycles, honey. There's another sparkle. You see what I'm
What's
saying?
that? What is that?
Tree.
No. You moved it, right? Right there. See it?
Uh-huh.
Look.
There's nobody there. I can't see.
Look. Isn't it those people?
Can't be.
There's nobody.
Not up in the
down.
trees.
There's nobody down there no more. See?